What's going on in here? Okay, we thought the waterfalls was over, but it's still not over. Holy moly, guacamole! This is a big one.
Rainbow.
Oh yeah, there's a rainbow.
Can't go down.
Basin. I know it. I had a feeling there's gonna be a bigger one because the two creeks collide together earlier. Collided and joined. Area closed for plant rehab. Who needs a rehab? Yeah, you need a rehab.
My head hurts.
Whoa. Awesomeness. That's so awesome.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no, I
Look.
that. Why?
Look, there's so much water. See on the side?
Yeah. Oh. You see how the pond's like dripping?
Yeah, it's dripping.
Hey.
Where? Oh, under there? Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. Oh.
Why did people...
Maybe something lives under there. I'll show you the cave. Zoomed in.
Wait.
Huh? What's that?
Wait, Alex, stop. Stop. No, look, it's clearing. Like 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock at night.
Wow, worth it.
Wait. Let's all take a picture. I want to save it on my screensaver. We should do it. We should take a picture to that.
I don't know. We should have gone. We should have just gone to the skyline to Sea Trail, and then just come back on the same spot, not on the up and down. You know, the other way.
It's just 10 miles.
10 miles.
Probably like 7.
This is the longest I ever gone. It's nice though.
Worth it. Just because of this. Hey, look. That tree used to be like somewhere up there.
You got uprooted.
That one's gonna go next. Yeah.
Yeah, the ones on the side right here, because the soil is wet, so it's not strong enough to hold it.
Make them want to fair. Hopefully that one isn't falling.